Where did you get them O-rings?
So what we're gonna do, you know what we're gonna do now?
Pooky?
Pooky stuff. I can't stand that leaking, dude. And I got this one right here. Maybe I can put a little Pooky Stuff on that. What a buddy of mine used to call that. When I get some of that Pooky Stuff. Right?
Yeah, what is that?
Man, this is something that's really nice. We spared no expense. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 1969 Ford F100 that we picked up just a short while ago. In the last episode, you saw us just working on these cab mounts and working on the floor pans, getting everything 100% on this thing. We're super excited to keep working on it. It was telling us a story. We're leaking a little bit of transmission fluid. If you've had problems with these dipsticks leaking, leave a comment down below because we can't seem to stop this thing. We're going to try to get it down again, but we've got this door bottom. We showed it to you in the last episode. We're going to go ahead and get this door off, see if we can fix this transmission dipstick one more time. Then we're going to see if we can fit this door bottom and maybe get it welded on. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we jumped on this door, we ground down the edges, we ground out the spot welds, and we got that skin off. We brought our new skin up here. This is just a door bottom skin, and we got a pretty good initial test fit. We're getting everything lined up to try to make sure that it fits 100% against the cab and against the fender. We're gonna make it look really good. There's just a little bit of rust, not much rust at all inside. So we're gonna treat all that with like some POR 15 or something like that. We fix the transmission dipstick. Hopefully, we put a little bit of that Pooky Stuff over on that O-ring to try to stop it from leaking. I think it's going to, but I think we just run out of time tonight. We'll catch back up with you tomorrow in the morning. It is the next day here. We appreciate you hanging out with us while we jump back on this door bottom. We didn't waste any time. We got rid of all of that rust with the wire wheel, and we busted out the POR 15 and got a nice coat of that stuff all over the inside of that door. It looks really, really good. That's gonna keep it from rusting for a long, long time. There was 54 years of rust in that thing, and we just took care of it in a few short minutes. We adjusted up that door bottom. We made a microscopic cut. So we're ready to weld this sucker on. So let's get the door skin out. Let's buck it all down and get the welder out and weld it up. We got that door skin on. It looks really, really good. It's not really a door skin, it's a door bottom, but man, that thing turned out pretty good. I must say it's pretty good. I put door skins on before and I can never really put them on without having to put a little bit of glaze around the edge. So I'm super happy with this. All we gotta do is just finish welding up that metal. You just gotta go low and slow, and you can't let that get too hot too quick or it'll just warp all the pieces and look like a Ripple's potato chip. I think what we'll do is we'll finish welding this up and we'll catch up with you in the next video, show you how it all turned out 100% after it's all welded. Then we've got the other one to do, but we're just super excited about this truck. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Possibly consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. Thank you to all the subscribers, and thanks to everyone that just stopped by and watched this video. We appreciate each and every one of you. We'll catch you next time. And this old 1969, we're out.